Alright, so another step here, rebuilding the motor of the 2.7 liter Tacoma here, 2TRFE. So, get you one of these guys right here. Got it on Amazon. It is a lifesaver for changing out your valve stem seals or working on the valves or anything like that. Hook up this bar. Bolt it down. And then you got some leverage here. Push the springs down. Makes life much easier. And then you'll need to get your valve keepers out of there. So I'll go step by step here in just a moment. Oh yeah, and draw yourself up a little diagram or something here so you can put everything back in the same spots it came out. I just drew out cylinder 1 valve, cylinder 2 valve, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. Then basically it's the whole layout of exactly bird's eye view of looking down right here, over here. Then I'll get these all cleaned up, of course, and put back in. So I'll go step by step in just a moment on this guy here. Okay, we're all set up here. You'll want a little magnet stick of some sort to get the valve keepers out of here. Once you get this guy all set up, pretty simple. Push down, use that leverage. Get those valve keepers to try to, valve stem keepers to try to pop out. And use your magnet. And there you go, there's the valve. Well, there's one valve keeper. It's a pain to put them back in my experience at least. It can be a pain to put them back in. But that's for another day. Okay, cool. All right, got another one out of there. So yeah, pretty simple.